every compressor has to have a capacitor with a certain amount of microfarads.
Okay.
Yours particularly is supposed to be for 70 microfarads for your compressor and 7.5 for the fan motor. And how we check that is with our meter here. So I can go through here and actually select microfarads. And then I can come to your capacitor here. And what I'm going to do is be checking the reading for the compressor. Making sure it's close to 70 as possible. Plus or minus on this one, I believe it's 10%. So as long as we're 10% in the appropriate stated range, the capacitor tests good.
Nice.
So 67.5 out of 70 is good.
Nice.
And then the fan is a 7.5. So we'll go common to it. And we're getting 7.6, which is, like I said, plus or minus 10%. We're within range. So
Nice.
that's good. But like I said, this is something that we would typically check on a AC tune-up as well.